So, who else's craft stash is out of control? So it's a new year and I decided to craft with my stash today. So we are going to be creating DIYs with these Dollar Tree stickers. Now these are the ones they usually have on the end cap. They're the wall decor decals and we're going to create a really beautiful DIYs today. So I had this piece of wood in my stash. It was left over from a project I created last year, and I decided to just give it a few coats of folk art chalk paint in white. And then I took this really cute rainbow sticker, and I've had this one for a little while, but I know that I see it regularly at the Dollar Tree, but it fit really good on this piece of wood. Now, I didn't use the clouds that go under the rainbow in the sticker, but I am going to use some of the hearts that it had on there, and I'm just going to place those hearts all around the rainbow. So I tried to use several different colors. Now this sticker did end up having some smaller rainbows on it, so you could definitely use it for another project. But I think this turned out adorable, and let me know what you guys think about this one. Now I've had this sticker for like 3 or 4 years, I'm not even joking, and I know they still have it at the Dollar Tree. I got these wood signs at Hobby Lobby. They're one of my very favorites in the unfinished wood, but they are whitewashed, so there's not really much you have to do to this project except place the sticker into the middle of each of the sign. I made 3 signs and I am going to hang this in my kids' bathroom, but let me know what you guys think about this one. So I picked this sign up in the Dollar Tree Plus section. Their Christmas stuff was half off, so I only paid $2.50 for it. It's a really nice size sign. I somehow got a smudge on it, but that is okay because we're going to cover it up with one of these big feathers from this feather wall decor. Now, teal is one of my favorite colors, and so I decided to go ahead and use the teal feather. I really love this sticker just because of the gold accents. I am a fan of gold, especially stickers and things like that. I just love how they look. So I'm going to place a few more of the medium and small stickers from here. I do place some of them with the stems down and a few with the stems up, just kind of like they're falling. As I was placing them, I wasn't really sure how I was going to position the sign, if it was going to be sideways or up and down, and so I just kind of was placing them where I thought that they looked like they were falling. Then I decided they needed some shabbiness, so on the smaller feathers, I made some shabby bows with my burlapfabric.com gold polka dot ribbon. And I just placed them onto there, and then this is how it turned out. This is my favorite one of the day. You guys let me know what you think about it. So we're going to use another sign from the Dollar Tree. This is the same sign as the one before. I removed all the pieces of this one and the last one, and I saved them for a later date because they are super cute. So this one, it could not be any easier. I'm not going to do anything to the wood piece. I'm just going to take this sticker. It's one large sticker, and then it has one little butterfly by itself. So I'm just going to place this into the middle of the sign. This is for a friend. I just thought that she would really like this for this year, and I'm just going to place it right in the middle, and then I'm going to take that smaller butterfly and put it over to the left hand side, and that is it. Super simple and such a good message, and it just turned out so amazing. So for for this project, we're going to start out with a wood round I had in my stash, and then I always get mine at Hobby Lobby in a big pack of 3. They're a really good deal, and you can get them when the wood is 40% off. So we're going to take these really beautiful roses and we're going to lay them on to the wood round. So this project starts to really give me a headache here. I really love these stickers. I think they're really beautiful and I really wanted this project to work. I don't know that it really did, to be honest, but you guys can be the judge of that and let me know in the comments what you think at the end. But I start out by using only 3 roses, and these stickers are really not repositionable. So when to place them, that's really kind of where they're going to stay. But I decided to go ahead and use 3 roses, and then I'm using some burlap ribbon. My little kitty decided to join me today. He really wanted to know what I was doing up there. So he wanted to make an appearance in the video today. But I'm just using some twine, and I'm going to tie it off in the middle of our bow. Really simple. We're just going to make, they're called an awareness bow. So once I get that done, I kind of play around on the wood round, trying to decide like where I should position this ribbon. And I kind of turn it around thinking like maybe I'll like it in a different position. I don't really, but I go ahead and commit and glue the bow onto our wood round. Then I decide that it's just really too plain and I don't love it. So I go back, I had a few of these rose stickers left, and I just go ahead and position the rose stickers down along with some more leaves. So I try to make it kind of like, I don't know if you guys ever do planning or you like happy planner planning, but a lot of times they'll lay the stickers over the edge of the paper and then they cut it off and it gives this really cute effect. So I decided to go ahead and do that with these stickers by trimming off like a little bit of the leaves like it's hanging over. I did think that that turned out pretty cute. And then I'm going to go ahead, they have these like farmhouse stickers on there, and I'm going to go ahead and lay the farmhouse like greenery down as well. So I start laying that on. I'm going to trim off the stem of those. They have kind of a long piece there, and I thought it would look cuter if I just kind of cut that part off and positioned it like within other flowers and leaves. So I go ahead and start doing that, and I do think that it starts looking a lot cuter than it started out with. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use 3 of these like farmhouse greenery pieces just all around, and then I decided to go ahead and add some actual greenery to the top. And I do really like how the end result turned out, but this was definitely like, I'm not sure until the end. But you guys let me know what you would have maybe done differently here, and here it is styled for you guys. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you want to keep on crafting with me, I have a video here for you to watch next. And as always, wherever you are in your journey is a perfect place to start, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends!